Have you ever wanted to learn how to build a website? Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your creation come to life on the internet, accessible to people all over the world. It's a skill that opens doors. Whether you're looking to switch careers, enhance your current job, or simply engage in a rewarding hobby. Today we're going to embark on an exciting journey through FreeCodeCamp's core curriculum, responsive web design. This course will arm you with the knowledge and tools to craft beautiful, functional websites using HTML or Hypertext Markup Language and CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. We'll start at the beginning, learning the basics by building a cat photo app. This project will introduce you to HTML tags, the building blocks of any web page. You'll learn how to use these tags to add photos, buttons, and other elements to your site. But we won't stop there. As we move forward, you'll learn about modern techniques like CSS variables by building a penguin and delve into best practices for accessibility through the creation of a quiz site. Accessibility is a key aspect of web design, ensuring that everyone, regardless of ability, can interact with your website. Finally, we'll tackle the challenge of creating web pages that respond to different screen sizes. This is a crucial skill in today's world where people access the internet from a multitude of devices. You'll learn how to do this by building a photo gallery with Flexbox and a magazine article layout with CSS Grid. A word of caution before we start. Certain browser extensions, such as ad blockers and dark mode extensions, can interfere with the tests in this course. If you encounter any issues, we recommend disabling extensions that modify the content or layout of pages while you're working through the course. So are you ready to start learning and building? Remember, every great web developer started somewhere. Today could be the first step on your journey.